we got here? Ooh.
Go get the rest, Luke.
Oh wow, this is a pretty heavy tape measure here.
I'm strong.
Oh wow. Here I need one of these.
We got this present.
Oh wow.
Hey, move back. Go get the rest, Luke.
Wow.
Man, this is a 20 volt too.
And look what I have.
Nice. Pick. Man.
But you have to actually open it. Please. Can you open these things?
This stuff is like.
Can you go ahead and open it so we can see how it works?
Now that's cool right there.
I got a box too.
That is really cool.
I got a box, Daddy.
I have never seen one of these.
Yeah, he has never seen that.
Hey, look back up.
So this thing is magnetic. So you put this thing on and
What does it do? Cool.
okay, so oh man.
It looks like a nerf.
This is really gonna come in handy right here when I'm
Back up, Luke.
when I'm in the workshop.
I had one day. I could be like that.
I can do what I gotta do, take it off, use it, throw it back up there, and get on with it. This is really gonna come in handy, no doubt. Magnetic wristband for holding your tools. Nice.
Why not own that one, Dad?
Hey, Luke, hand him this one.
Yeah.
That magnetic wristband is awesome.
It's just some tools, Daddy.
Nice and tight fit too. I mean, it can be a nice and tight fit, but the tools it holds up pretty good. So if you want one, I'm almost certain there'll be a link below. Pegboard organizer, huh? All right.
That's a cool one, Daddy.
So we pretty much know what these do. These are the pegboard hooks. So I'm almost certain it's a pegboard around here somewhere. And of course, there it is. So I'll sit that there for now. So these are the little hooks that go in the board. It's a 50 piece.
But Dad,
I'm almost certain it'll be in the description
some
below.
Plugs, Dad. Look, some plug parts.
And it's made by, see that? Hilltech. That's right.
Never heard of them.
All right. Now.
So can you open the whatever tape measure? How does that work? Do you have to plug it in, or does it have batteries? Does that have batteries on it?
I have not had the opportunity to play with one of these.
Whoa, look at that one, Dad.
Hold on.
This one's really
I will. I hadn't had the opportunity to play around with one of these, but
let's see how this works. If it has batteries or what, Luke?
and here's a nice up close description of what's going on here. All right. And once again, it'll probably more than likely 9 or 10 be a link below. All right, so this tape has a light on it, which is cool.
Wow, that is very cool, Daddy.
Nice big numbers on both sides. Now that's extremely different. I don't know, maybe I'm just old school or whatever, but I'm used to just seeing the numbers on one side. This is gonna be a very useful tape.
And
it has a light on it.
You can go to Luke school.
Yeah, it actually has a light on it.
And you can show the Luke's your neck.
Here's the light. You turn on the light, push that button, and to charge it, it comes with a USB cable. Just plug it in there. That simple. This is a nice tape. Feels good. Thank you. All right. So let's see what we got going on here with this DeWalt Compact Series.
Whoa, Daddy, it looks big.
And it's brushless. Awesome.
That is pretty awesome, Daddy.
So let's dig off in here.
I can dig off.
Luke, move your fingers away from the scissors.
I got it, son. Back up. I got it. Back up.
Luke,
I got it. Back
move
up.
your fingers from the scissors.
Whoa, Daddy,
So-
look at that.
I can pretty much
Whoa, it's really big.
think of plenty of stuff I can cut on with this.
That's not Luke.
Oh, Daddy, that is really
You know-
huge.
Has a nice grip. Oh yeah. I really could have used this on a project the other week. Really.
Really, Dad? You can really
So it
do
has the little
pocket.
safety. Little safety that you pull back, get it out of the way.
Ah! I can't move.
Yeah, me and this thing are gonna definitely be doing a lot of projects. So, as far as being able to cut, you can put all kind of wheels on here to cut a variety of materials. So, I'll definitely put me a wheel on here for cutting metal. I may do a little bit more modification to this thing and maybe take this off and give me more of a angle saw feel. But I'll put it right here. What else comes in here? All right, got look like a guide maybe. Is this a vacuum hookup? It's a vacuum hookup. Goes right there. This thing actually came with a vacuum hookup. Blades.
A blade, Daddy. Whoa, that sounds something cool.
Let's see what we got in here.
I do not know.
And these blades here
Put your hand
are
in.
pretty much about the same size of the blades that I use.
Whoa, Daddy. It even has one number on it.
Well, it's gonna come with a blade.
Whoa, Daddy. It's really
This blade
like
is
a blade.
like some of the blades I actually use on the robots. Some of the robots I built in the past. So I'm familiar with these blades. But I think I want to get a cutting wheel where I can just, you know, cut what I want to cut. Let's see what you come with. It's just wood. It's general purpose.
You're supposed to cut everything with it. Ceramic, plastic, wood, plexiglass. It's supposed to cut a bunch of stuff.
Oh, it's supposed to cut a bunch of stuff?
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Really? Not with these teeth up though. Yeah, it may cut it, but it won't be clean. That's
That's
for
what
sure.
the description said.
I mean, you know, okay, so
Circular saw.
I'm looking at the direction of the saw, and the direction of the saw blade is like spiraling down. So that means this blade will be in rotation like that. So, and you can see the rotation arrows on us. So if it's in rotation like that, I mean, man, you can really make some serious snags with this bad boy. Nah.
It said Formica, marble. It said all different kind of stuff.
Yeah, now if you rotate like that, you might get a sort of a, I don't know. I just, you know, I'm gonna change it up. But yeah, What else in this goodie box? Let me get it. They sent everything except battery's not included, huh?
So this don't plug in, it's battery powered?
This is battery powered. So okay. You will have to get yourself a battery for this.
What kind of batteries?
So let 24 20 volt.
So it's not like a double A or nothing?
Yep. No.
What kind of battery?
A 20 volt battery pack plugs in on the back of this.
So it doesn't even come with a battery pack?
You will not have batteries coming with this.
So we can't use it because it didn't come with a battery pack.
This will not be used today until a battery is purchased.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Who knew? I didn't read that.
Yeah, but it's still an awesome gift. Hopefully that battery won't be too expensive.
And it has to be made by the DeWalt brand?
Yes, it does. It's going to be the DeWalt Atomic Series. Let me pop this off here. It has to be the DeWalt Atomic Series. Man, it's even got a guide. Okay. So we'll go ahead and I'm gonna bag this up. Let's get this bagged on up and boxed up rather. Get this thing here did. Get on in there. Get in there. There we go. All right.
And then we have a mystery box. Let's see. Luke, come on, come look at the box. Let's see what's in the mystery box.
So we got some random box here.
Do not flip.
Might be some underwear, some socks or something.
Wow, Luke, let's see.
Could be
What's
some
in the
t-shirts.
Mystery box.
No. Yep, I think I'm gonna cite it. I was just gonna say what's in here. I think
What is this? It's just a whole bunch of merch. You're scrubbing it.
Yeah.
Look.
So we got
Cool.
a bunch of, what do we got here? Car Shield t-shirts. We got Car Shield dress shirt, golf shirt, rather.
Oh, that's nice. Not bad. What size is it?
It's a 2X.
Oh, what's the total?
Hands out, sir. Hands out, sir.
I'm kind of box in there.
I know it is.
Let Daddy unbox it for his Father's Day.
All right, we got a bunch of Car Shield shirts in here.
Okay.
We got Car Shield little tablet and no coaster with little tablets, and we got pens. Oh, how do I need pens for work? And these pens feel pretty good too.
Cool.
They feel pretty good, and they're heavy on top of that. Couple of hats.
A hat though. Ooh, there's one for me.
Couple of hats.
All right, blue.
And we got the bag.
Ooh,
Okay.
I got a different hat.
I'm almost certain, and I'm not even going to. I'm gonna predict this. I'm gonna predict this just because, even though this box right here, the flap is up, I hadn't looked in it yet, but I'm predicting there's some type of cup in these boxes. I'm predicting cups. Now I wonder what does my assistant think?
I don't know. I have no idea.
I'm thinking cups. And of course,
You don't need no more cups.
and of course,
Look, this one can fit you.
of course, I'm right. Cup all day long,
Oh my gosh, that's a nice cup.
and it's pretty nice.
It's like a fake Yeti.
And it's got the little,
That's awesome.
yes, I mean, Yes.
Like a fake Yeti again.
And how I knew it was cups, cause my job get these cups away a lot. And they come in those boxes also.
All right, so both of them 2 cups.
It's 2 cups. So,
You like me now?
all right, that's a pretty cool.
And put on your backpack, Luke. I don't know if Daddy wants another bag. Just practice.
Pretty cool little setup here.
Were both of them cups?
Yes, both of them are cups. I'll tell you that now.
Just open it like the other one. It might be a different kind.
It might be a different kind of cup, but it's the same.
2 of the exact same cup.
Yes, you can see the
Daddy,
2 of the same.
look at me, Daddy.
Okay, that's fine. Just give it here.
Daddy. Look.
Cool.
Yeah.
Luke.
So it's like, I guess they sent 2 of depends on mine. Stay away.
Yeah, that's fine. You're gonna open that so we can see what one of them looks like.
So let's move on to the
I need a pen.
next ordeal.
That cup. I just want to see if you think this is gonna work in the garage.
Now do you like I'm more
So
colors.
I'm almost 100% certain. I mean, I know what it is.
But do you think it'll work in the garage? That is my question.
I know it's the pegboard.
So, is it?
This has to be the pegboard. Man, I tell you what. Right here where it says made in USA, you better believe it. Cause the hot glue on here.
Hot glue.
And staple game? No, I don't even think. No, it's a staple game. Yeah, the staple game is strong on this one. Yeah, you better believe it. All right. So I'm gonna peel down on this side.
That cup is heavy. Back up, look.
So this is the pegboard.
Alright, so what are all these warnings?
And it's saying it has sharp edges
Okay.
or corners. I mean these corners you can someone can hurt themselves. But yeah, it's self-explanatory really. I mean you got these large holes here.
Do you think it could be mounted in that
These
garage?
large holes are your install holes. Put your bolts in here, drill it to what you want to drill it to, and then put your yeah.
So it's for like hanging up the tube.
Yeah, this is just what I need. Just what I need. Yep. So that's a win-win. So I can say, ultimately, I won this Father's Day, and half of these items you can find in the description below. So stay tuned for more for an announcement that I'm going to be making soon. Stay tuned.